If you experience sample line clogging, you may need to remove and clean or just fully replace your sample probe and sample line. You need to start with removing the clogged line. Start here with these red connections. These are just finger tight. You're only going to remove this top one. So that part removes. You can then remove it from this guide. Remove the cover to the bubble detector. And then remove the tubing from the pinch valve. And then we have a finger tight connection here for the sample probe itself, which once it's loosened, probe will come free. And can be removed from its screw. Before you begin your sample probe and line replacement, retrieve your sample probe gauge from your fluidics accessory kit. That goes into the sample station in place of the sample holder cup, like so. You'll notice here this nut manually controls the sample station's motion. And we're going to turn it until the sample chamber is at the furthest extent of its downward motion. Take our new sample probe and its retainer. And reinsert that into the sample probe hole and aim for the center of the gauge. You'll feel the bottom, and once you've felt the bottom, you can tighten the retaining screw, just finger tight. And now once we've returned the sample chamber to its upper limit, I'm just going to verify that that's a nice tight fit. I'm also going to confirm that this ferrule is attached nice and tightly to the tubing. And holding this portion so that it doesn't turn, I'm going to finger tighten the other end of the sample line. Place that tubing back in its run. Place the line back within the bubble detector. And make sure it snugly fits into the pinch valve so that when the pinch valve is closed, it will stop the sample from running. Replace my cover to the bubble detector. And you've replaced your sample line and probe.